What's up everybody, this is Mike and today I'm bringing you a bit of a different video. It's a mixture of a vlog, an update video, but also a goodbye video because it's time to say goodbye to the DJI Mavic Air. The drone that I got as soon as it got released, and I've been so excited to use it. I've been loving every second of owning this drone, but unfortunately it's time to go because I just don't have enough time for using it and flying it. So I'm sure many of you know I have a couple of drones. I have the Spark, I have the Mavic Air, and now I have the Mavic 2 Pro, as well as a couple of more cheap drones and a couple of racing drones. And I've been noticing I don't fly the Mavic Air regularly anymore. So it's been gathering dust on my desk. And I know a person that is going to enjoy it a hell of a lot more than I am currently. So it's time for this drone to go. Like I said, the Spark is staying. The Spark is a drone that is very special for me. It's the drone that I started my YouTube channel with. It's not my first ever drone, but it's the drone that I had when I started this YouTube channel, so I probably never sell it. I'm still going to use it every now and then. Leave a comment below if you want to see the Spark in a future video, because I am thinking about different ideas of using the Spark in my future videos, so I will be using it for sure very soon. But the topic of today's video is the Mavic Air. I'm going to give it to a friend of mine. He's a very good friend of mine. He's a photographer. He has never used the drone before, so it will be quite interesting for me to teach him a couple of things about this drone. I still think this is the perfect beginner drone as it is quite powerful, but at the same time is not intimidating at all. And since he's a photographer, he definitely knows what he's doing, but he's trying to expand his portfolio and he wants to start capturing some aerial photos as well. So I think the Mavic Air will be the perfect drone for him. So he will be getting that in addition to all the accessories that I've gathered during my ownership of the Mavic Air. So that means all the filters, the cases, the chargers, everything, the batteries, everything will be going with the package to him. So I'm quite excited for him. And that brings me to another point that I want to make in this video, and that is, I know that there are quite a lot of you guys, my followers, my subscribers, that are very new to flying drones, just like my friend, and maybe you have a lot of struggles or problems, things that you are dealing with when it comes to flying a drone that you're not perfectly happy about or you're not very confident about. So I would like to hear what you guys are struggling with so I can potentially help you out. Just like I'm going to do with my friend today, I'm going to explain everything that he needs to know about this drone. It will probably take a lot more than just one meeting with him, but anyway, I'm very open to doing that. But I want to help you as well. So if you have any struggles, any problems, anything that you are not very confident about, just let me know in the comment section below. Because I'm really open to giving you guys as much help as possible. I would like to help you out if I can, and that's basically the main point of my channel. I want to share the knowledge that I've gathered during the years that I've flown my drones. So everything that I know, of course, I'm very happy to share with you. So please let me know what you need help with. Maybe it's flying the drone and controlling it, or just capturing the best footage possible. Let me know. It doesn't really matter as long as it includes a drone. It doesn't really matter which model. Just let me know, ask your questions, tell me what you're struggling with, and I'll be sure to make a content that is going to help you out with this matter. So now I'm going to charge up all the batteries, charge the controller, format my SD card, clean the drone a bit, prepare all the accessories, and basically set the drone up for its new owner. I'm very excited for my friend, and I'm going to meet him in just a couple of hours. So I will prepare everything so he can have a perfect first time drone experience. And I'm really excited. It's my first time ever teaching somebody else how to fly a drone, how to deal with a drone in the air, how to capture some photos, and it's exciting for me. So that's why I want to share this experience with you guys and also possibly help you out in the process. Anyway, enough rambling, let's set up everything and then we'll be heading out. Okay, everything is charged up and ready to go. So we have the original Mavic Air box, we have the drone itself, the carrying case, which I believe is one of the best carrying cases DJI has ever made. I really love it. The charger is back there. Then we have the freewell carrying case with the foam cutout, which is perfect when you're traveling and you want to protect your drone the best way you can. We have the remote controller, 2 extra batteries, the prop guards, the charging cable. We have some landing gear from freewell, some little accessories, extra things that you want to have in your backpack. And then we have the shoulder bag and some filters. Those are the freewell filters, the ND4, 8, 16, 32 and 64. And then we have the long exposure filters here, ND 128, 256 and 400. We have a couple of spare props, and then we have the Polar Pro Cinema Series filters, as well as the Mavic Air ND 1000 here and ND 2000 filter. If we can focus, that would be great. Can we? Yes, we can. Those are the long exposure filters, which are extremely handy for photography, and I really love them. So that's basically everything that I have for this drone. I will try to pack it very well so I can take it with me today, and I'm going to head out and meet my friend. Okay, so I just arrived here. I am with my friend here behind me, and we're ready to set up everything. We'll start just experimenting with everything drone related. And fun fact, this guy is also shooting my wedding next summer, so that makes everything even better in my opinion. Hopefully he will be as good as me by next summer, and maybe he will take a couple of photos on my wedding with this drone. So anyway, let's get started. Are you ready?
Yes, of course.
Let's go. So we went through the most basic things he needs to know about the drone, and I think it's time to demonstrate to him how the drone works. And we'll take a couple of photos probably, and we'll just go to a safe distance and just see how the drone operates, and then we'll go from there. I think it's going well so far. So this was definitely a success. My friend is very happy with the Mavic Air. He was really good at also for the first time flying. He did really well controlling the drone. He took a couple of nice photos, which I will share right now on the screen. And basically, I hope he will be happy with this drone, because I really think it's a great drone. With that being said, guys, I want to thank you once again for being a part of this great community that we have here on Drone Supremacy. Really means a lot to me. Thank you so much for watching this video. Don't forget to ask your questions if you have any, and I'll be sure to reply if I can and make that content for you. Once again, thank you for watching. It's been a pleasure. This is Mike from Drone Supremacy, and I'll catch you in my next one. Ciao!